Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious churros dip. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients: 4 ounces of good quality semi-sweet chocolate and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Begin by gently heating the heavy cream in a small saucepan over medium heat. Watch it closely and remove it from the heat just as it starts to simmer. Then, pour the hot cream directly over your chopped chocolate in a heat-proof bowl and let it sit undisturbed for 5 minutes. This allows the chocolate to soften perfectly. Now, let's explore some exciting flavor variations for your churro dip. For a classic, warm spice, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon after the chocolate has melted. If you prefer a rich, sweet caramel note, add 1 tablespoon of dulce de leche to the warm mixture. For those who enjoy a little heat, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder can provide a surprising and delightful subtle kick. Feel free to experiment and find your favorite combination. After the 5 minutes are up, gently whisk the chocolate and cream mixture until it becomes completely smooth and wonderfully creamy. Your delicious churro dip is now ready to be served warm. For an extra touch, consider garnishing it with a sprinkle of flaky sea salt or some finely chopped nuts to add a delightful texture. If you have any leftover dip, simply transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat gently before serving again. To elevate your churro dip, always opt for high-quality chocolate. It truly makes a difference in both flavor and texture. Don't be afraid to experiment with other extracts, such as a few drops of vanilla or almond, to customize your dip even further. For a thicker dip, you can reduce the amount of cream slightly. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's perfect for keeping your kitchen clean after all that delicious churro making.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.